Hello friends, welcome to the Photoshop tips and tricks. Let me show you how to work with Smart Auto Blend in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start. Open the layer panel and select the layer. Go to the second image. Then go to the select, and choose subject. OK, zoom in to looks better. Again go to the select, modify, and expand. Expand by 20 pixels and click OK. That's well. Click and drag it to the first image, and release here. Now drag to adjust the position and scale the size. Unlock this layer, and select the both of layers. Go to the Edit, and choose Auto Blend Layers. Click the Stack Images, then click OK. OK, it's done for now. Close the layer panel and go to the third image. Click and drag it to the first image, and release here. Press Ctrl T to scale the size and adjust the position. That's well. Press Enter. Open the layer panel, and select these two layers. Then go to the Edit, and choose Auto Blend Layers. Click the Stack Images, and click OK. Wait a few seconds to process. OK, that's well. Hope you liked it. Please follow me on social media for more useful and effective videos. Thanks for watching.